Hello Year 2. So today we are going to carry on with some of our learning we started yesterday. We are going to be finding the total, but today we're going to be looking at pounds and pence. So let's have a look at our first problem. So Mo buys an apple and a banana. So we're going to see if we can find the total. So today we can see that the apple costs £1. So you can see the pound symbol there. And the banana costs 45p, 45 pence. So you can see on the screen there is a picture of the pound and there is the picture of the 45 pence. So we need to add those two amounts together to find the total. So today we can start with the pounds. So we have £1 there. We don't have any pounds in the 45 pence, or any pennies. So we can say altogether we have £1 and 45 pence. So we can add those two amounts together to find the total. Let's have a look at another problem. So here we have a donut, a slice of cake and a cookie. So if Sue bought all three of those things, we would need to add all three prices together to find the total. So we're going to do this today by looking at the pounds and at the pence for each item. So the donut costs £2. The cake costs £1 and 50p, and the cookie costs 32p. So we can work out the pounds first. If we have a look at the donut and the cake, we can see that we need to add the £2 and the £1 together. So 2 and 1 make 3. So that's £3. And then we can add the pence together. So just like we did yesterday, we can have our 32 pence and our 50 pence. We can put them in a table a little bit like this. Okay, our column addition that we practiced yesterday. So we can add those two amounts together and you will find that that would be 82p. So altogether, the total cost would be £3 and 82p. Okay, well done. Okay, let's try another one then. So here we have Kat and she buys shoes, a t-shirt and a jumper. So we need to look really carefully at the price of these things. So the shoes cost £10, the t-shirt is £7 and the jumper is £5 and 75 pence. So we need to find the total for all three amounts. So again, we're going to look carefully at the pounds and at the pence. We're going to split them and add them separately. So if we add the pounds together first, so this time we're going to need to add 10 and 7 and 5. So you could do them like we did yesterday, put them in a column addition. So there we have them split into the 10s and the 1s. So 10, add 7, add 5. And if you add those three totals together, you will find you get £22. And then we can add on the pence. So the jumper is the only amount there that has any pence. So we have the 75p. So altogether, those three items would cost £22 and 75 pence. Okay, let's have a look at another problem then. We'll have a little practice now. So let's see if we can find the total of the hat and the socks. So I want you to have a look carefully. The hat, look how much that costs. Is it pounds? Is it pence? Look at the symbol, it gives you a clue. Have a look at the socks. What do they cost? Okay, is it pounds? Is it pence? Is it both? And then I'm going to give you just a couple of seconds to have a go and see if you can work out how many pounds are there altogether and how many pence are there altogether. What would be the total? Okay, so if we look at the answer then, the answer would be £3 and 50 pence because £1 and £2 make £3 and then we add the pence, which is 50 pence. Okay, let's look at another one. This time we're going to see if we can find the total of the gloves and the socks. So again, looking carefully at the pounds and the pence. So remember we need to add the pounds first and then add the pence separately. So I'm going to give you a moment. You want me to pause the video while you try and work it out? Okay, so let's have a look at the answer. So we should have got the answer £2.75. If we add £1 and £1, that gives us our £2. And if we add our 50 to our 25, that gives us a total of 75. So altogether, the gloves and the socks would cost £2.75. Okay, so we're going to have some problems for you to have a go at now, finding the total. So you can record your answers in your blue maths books, and we would love to see some photographs of these. So let's have a look at problem number 1. So you can pause the video, and I want you to use your blue maths book to see if you can work out the total. So Sam went into a shop and he bought 3 toys. So we bought a train, a windmill and a yo-yo. So look carefully at the cost of each item and see if you can work out the total. So you can pause the video and work that out in your maths book. Okay, then this is problem number 2 that I would like you to work out in your maths book. So Glenn has this much money. So you can see there's some writing and there's a picture of a coin there as well. So we have £1, 20 pence, 2 pence, and then Henna, she has £9, £1, and there's a picture there of £2. So I want you to see if you can work out how much do they have all together. If we add Glenn's money and Henna's money all together, how much do they have? So again, pause the video and see if you can work that out in your blue maths book. And the last problem today, we have 3 items from the shop. So if I went to the shop and I bought this calculator, have a look how much it is. I bought this pencil sharpener, have a look at the price tag. And I bought this pencil, have a look at the price tag. How much money would that cost me all together? So again, use your blue maths book, see if you can work out the problem. Okay, good luck. Bye.